Alrighty, BB. Let's go run some errands. Wherever you're at. Here she goes with her water. Oh, water girl. You're my water girl. Home Depot. Lakeland. Lakeland. Electric lawnmowers.
Oh my.
I mean battery, I'm sorry. That's the truth. You are correct. Free assembly, free delivery. It's got a flat top. It's charcoal.
It's also a smoker. Ooh, this one's a good one. It's gas. And it's a smoker. Cool. Those are a joke. Fireproof gloves. See, like something. I mean, we already got ours, but even this would be good in a hurricane.
Right.
Because you can hook that up to an actual propane tank.
Gotcha.
See?
It's a porta gas.
Yeah.
So you can take that with you.
Right.
For camping.
But I'm saying, like in a hurricane, that would be good too, because
yeah,
you buy the propane tank, you leave it in the house, and when it clears up, oh, cool! I didn't. Now that would be awesome. Look. That's squirrel proof. Walls are white.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a full cover though.
So if it's 16, that's the smallest, and then all the
Nobody beats.
Do what?
Because nobody beats Home Depot.
No.
Alrighty.
Oh. Oh, I like mine better. Because ours is taller. We got a tall booger. That ain't making them so tall.
I see that.
One and done. You put it in the wash, and after it's done washing, it dries it.
So it's a washer dryer together.
Mm-hmm. See? One and done. Dry,
See that.
wash.
How much is it?
1900.
I guess that ain't bad.
Well, you figure if you were to
All
get
the
this
space
one,
that you're saving.
Yeah. It's pretty big in there.
4.8 cubic.
You got
20-inch
Eco-Clean,
Law Street
Self-Clean.
pedestal.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could really see it. And then the pedestal.
Wash and dry in about 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
120 volts.
Oh, with ventless heat pump technology.
Mm. That's probably what that tray is on the bottom.
Down there, yeah.
In front of it. And it's the back foot.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you don't have to worry about your ducts getting all jacked up.
10 years warranty. Limited. Alrighty. Air conditioning sales. A lot of air conditioners for sale.
Humidified and ventilated.
Yes, like the ones they use in the store. Yeah, you see in a lot of stores that the air conditioning goes down. Did you print it? All right.
You have all this hiding?
Yeah,
Where did you have this?
my room. Yeah.
Well, put it in the toolbox that we have in the back. The red toolbox.
Put it in the toolbox that I have.
All right, for insurance purposes. Since BB doesn't have life insurance, she's attempting to be an electrician.
Where's my screwdriver? Thank you.
She removed the fuse relay. Now she's putting it back. We hold no responsibilities. If house burns down.
Come on. Get in there. That's tight. That's what I need. You're in now. Bitch.
Please refrain from cursing.
Practice what you
When
preach.
playing with live electricity. Everyone refuses to shut down the power.
The power is shut down.
Yeah, now it is. I thought I griped about it.
All right.
Okay. You sure?
All right. Let's go check it.
Alrighty. The Lakeland, Maine Post Office. Let's see if they respect our rights. The video. Let's audit these people. Thanks, guy here. It's closest. It's the same distance. Same distance. Okay. Greeting cards and everything.
On my phone dash and the email. I definitely, I want to get change of address. No. Whole family, but just for a few minutes. And we just had
That part used to be open back in the day.
we've been missing these. I mean, this was a delinquent, this one was a delinquent. This one was a bank. And overdraft.
Yeah, I remember that part back there used to be open. Now,
That was the keys and everything. So the mayor was arrived and sold Oh, yeah, so that's why cheapest as possible. Whatever, I mean, it doesn't have to be. No insurance.
They deliver this address, we not get So because this way they can notify you. I can send an email, but they take it out. Right now, so I can show you right now. They can talk to the county at the same time, so like I said, easy to
Where's downtown?
210 North Missouri Avenue.
Missouri.
Yeah, go into change of address.
Let's write it on here.
I go to computers, and I have a hard time with the phone, so I'll go play, I guess. It's kind of like the phones we used to have.
But it's all right. I'll go to them. Do what That's all right.
It's a bad thing about sending mail to Puerto Rico.
Yes.
They don't got American addresses, so,
No, they're a hot damn mess.
so it's hard to deliver mail.
It is, especially when you're
It's
up in
hard.
the mountains.
Yeah. Mountain laws.
Crazy, crazy.
I almost feel like I have the car running.
No, not yet.
Alrighty. Time to put in the electrical power. Alright, let's boogity. Boogity, boogity.
Yes, let's do this.
It's getting hot out.
Yeah, I'm not mowing today.
It's already 90.
I'll have to do it Thursday or Saturday because it's already getting too hot.
But no, this the main post office in North Lakeland. But then there's little post offices like where we have our post office on Kathleen, which we're gonna make the next stop to see if anybody has sent us anything, even a card to say hello. And if you do send us something, we definitely will mail you back.
Yep.
I know mailing is old-fashioned, but keep it in style. I hear a train. Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Son of a gun.
You're right. You heard a train.
We're gonna be here forever.
Maybe not.
6527 CXX. Yeah, this here when they start unloading and loading, and oh my gosh, this can be a nightmare on Kathleen Road. One thing about Florida, the train tracks work here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You see train tracks, they work.
Yeah, don't mistake them as not being used.
Alright, there goes our post office.
There's our baby post office.
Kathleen. Okay. See if anyone sent us anything. We promise you, you send us a card or just to say hi, we will respond. And you never know, you might get a surprise in the mail.
Yep. Go for it, Pooh Bear.
I'm trying to.
Move it, move it.
Garbage. Nobody loves us. I don't know what that is. Nobody loves us. All right, nope, just a caca.
Okay.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us.
So until the next video, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.